Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice, where I make myself sick off of pumpkin products. Oh my god, I can see you. Let's do that again. 45 Nights of
Pumpkin Spice.
Woo! It's a thing where I make myself sick off of pumpkin products. Whew, that was a mouthful. Anywho, today we have not one, but two special guests. And we're cooking with kids again.
Aria and Sienna.
And Sienna. Okay.
Yeah. I'm Aria and she is Sienna.
And what are we gonna make today, girls?
We are going to make pumpkin spice
frosty. And welcome back to pumpkin spice pumpkin spice frosted cupcakes. Yeah. Okay, let's get started, guys. We are making pumpkin spice frosting. Are you guys as excited as me? I can't.
Yes, I never actually made frosting.
Let's do it. Okay, so step one. Aria.
Yes.
What's step one?
Step one, all the ingredients.
All the ingredients. We're going to list all the ingredients, and we're starting off with 1 stick of butter.
This is some powdered sugar right here.
Powdered sugar, good job.
Powdered sugar.
And then our spices. So we have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Just mix it all together. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. We're done. Don't say that, ladies, okay? That's what we just said. It's gonna be the ginger, so we'll mix it together. Okay, so
we also need a bowl.
We're gonna need a bowl.
A little bowl.
And these are the best frosty makers in all of New York City.
I actually never made frosting.
You don't want to tell people. Just we gotta act for the camera, okay? It's not what the people want to hear, okay? Yeah, she's never made it on camera, but you've made it before, right? Okay, that might have been fabricated, but let's get started anyway, right, guys?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you just want to put the butter in the bowl.
Okay, all right.
One of you. You can do that. Okay. There's that. Plop it in.
So you're just gonna hurry it. Oh my god.
Yeah, you got this. I believe in you.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, there's that.
In the bowl.
We get that in the bowl. And then we're going to get the mixer, which we have right here. I'm just gonna squeeze it.
It's gonna be a little loud.
Okay, and I need one of you to hold it.
I'll hold it. I want to
Okay.
hold it.
We got this? No fighting on camera. Okay, be careful now, okay? And we're just gonna smooth it out, mix it, all right?
So here, I'll hold
So if you
bowl.
just want to hold the bowl, yeah, I think that might be better. So turn it on. And that's all. We just want to smooth it out, okay?
Yeah.
And so now that we smoothed it out, so
Okay, it's all.
yeah, there's butter. That's it. It's gonna be a little smooth.
You know what? I'm gonna scrape it off with a spatula.
We're gonna add roughly about 2 cups. Okay. Well, let's leave it on there because we're still gonna do that.
Oh,
ladies.
okay.
Yeah, we got this. Okay, roughly about 2 cups of sugar to this, and then add the spices. So this is gonna be step 2. Step 1 was add the butter, mix it up. Step 2 is add that. And if you want to do the honors, I will mix it. And if you want to hold,
should I put the whole thing in?
we're gonna gradually. So gradually means you just do it slowly, and then yeah, and I'm gonna be turning it on slowly, a little bit fast. Come on, chickadee chop, pick up the pace. Okay, that's enough. Calm down. Okay, so there's that. We don't have that much butter, so we're not. Oh my God, sorry. Oops. Okay, we're gonna.
Wait, how did that happen?
You got that? Okay, maybe get a napkin. This looks pretty good, actually. So 1 stick of butter isn't gonna make that much. We're just gonna smooth it out a little bit more. And then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Do you wanna go grab the teaspoon so we can make the vanilla? Please, ladies? Okay. We're gonna need a little bit more sugar. I lied.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you just want to sprinkle in a little bit more, right?
I lied.
Okay. Yeah. Telling lies is not good. Okay.
Don't tell lies.
Oh, no, not good. Not for kids. Unless it's your boss and you're running late for work. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. Okay, that's enough. Dear God. Okay.
Oh my God.
So we got that. Okay. You want to forget it. Add a little bit more, okay?
Oh
We got it. It's going to be pumpkin spice. We want
Yeah.
lots of sugar. And there's lots of butter. Okay.
Okay, that's a lot.
Is it gonna be okay? No more in her eye. Okay, just a little bit. Yeah, then we're gonna, this is gonna be sweet. It's sweet like you girls, I want it to be nice and sweet.
I think 3
2. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's like the whole bag.
Yeah, literally, the bag is empty now.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oops.
Do I use this?
Yeah.
It's like popcorn.
Yeah, we're gonna add a teaspoon.
This is a teaspoon, right?
Does it say a teaspoon?
I have no idea. It says.
Well, let's.
It says
It's a cooking
1-2
channel, not a reading
TSP.
channel. Okay, so that's
Half teaspoon.
Yeah, so let's
So
get
we
a full
need
one.
the look 1-4. Yeah, here.
You got this, girls. I believe in you. Come on.
Yeah, this is the 1-4.
No fighting on camera. Okay, we're just gonna, we'll fight after we turn it off, okay? Oh, well, that's the wrong one, remember? So we're gonna get this.
Yeah.
Good job. So this is half a teaspoon. We're gonna need this whole thing, okay? So how about one of you holds it and the other one pours it?
I'll
okay?
pour it.
Okay, come on. Chippity chop.
Maybe put it over here.
Okay, ready? Okay, that's good. Dear God. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so we're not gonna pour all of it. Okay, so yeah, just just a little bit. Okay, there's that. We're just gonna maybe put the rest back in here. I don't know why I don't have my own cooking show. Okay, so we're gonna get that, and now we're gonna put the spices in.
Yes.
So,
Which is cinnamon
typically
and nutmeg.
cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of ginger to make it
Okay.
pumpkin spicy, right?
Spice.
Typically, you wouldn't do this over the bowl, but you know. Oh, and here's a pinch of salt. So we add a little pinch of salt.
So it's not so sweet.
So sweet. This is smart. See, look at you. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're just maybe we could just take the lid off, right?
Yeah.
And then just
Wait,
scoop it.
no, wait.
And then you just
There's
scoop it.
this.
Yeah, but that would take too long. Then it'll all go wrong, right?
Oh.
So then we're gonna do that.
And
Sprinkle
then
half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
And then
do you
can I
want to
do
do
the other one?
Yeah. So we'll do that, and then Sienna gets to do the last one, okay?
Okay.
We're all gonna share. Sharing is caring. Okay. Oh, we got a tap. That's a lot of ginger. Okay, let's do 1/8 of a teaspoon. That is a ton of ginger. Woo.
No,
spicy. No, we
no,
don't
no,
want-
no, no.
We don't make ginger spice. Okay, and then nutmeg.
Is a pumpkin.
Nutmeg, you could do 1/4. I think 1/4 will be good, right? Not too much. And then just remember to tap it. Good job. Yeah, perfect. You get it in?
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna put these on the side. And then if you want to hold the bowl for me again, please.
Yes.
And then we'll.
We'll show you what this looks like once it's mixed up. Once it's all mixed up. Like around and around and around.
Oh my God, it looks so good, ladies.
Oh my god.
Yay! We did it!
It's gonna fit the
It smells
cake.
like Christmas. No, it smells like fall.
Christmas.
It's not Christmas yet. Wrong holiday, wrong holiday. Okay.
Ooh, that actually
And
smells
just
good.
like that, we have the world's easiest, prettiest, best
Pumpkin spice
frosting.
frosting.
We did it. Okay, do you
Okay.
want to test it? See if it's any good?
See if it's delicious.
Well, we should probably
think
COVID, not use our fingers, but we're eating it. Oh my God, so it's butter and sugar. You can't go. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's very
no.
sweet. Oh my god, that's good.
Oh. Now that we've made the world's best pumpkin spice frosting, we are going to make pumpkin spice frosted cupcakes.
We are going to be frosting some delicious chocolate cupcakes that we made a while ago with this frosting.
That we
and
just
this
made.
frosting, we just made this. And
In
it
the
was
last
on
video.
video.
Yeah.
And it is pumpkin spice.
Miss Aria is getting a little head start with some chocolate because she likes chocolate on chocolate. And we're going to do
And
pumpkin
then
spice
another
and
chocolate.
a little bit more chocolate, right?
Like
Okay. Chocolate. Aria, you got a little on your face. Hold up. Whoops. Okay, just nobody has to know. Hold up, where'd it go? I'm just smearing it.
So there's
You
some
look
things you're going to need, okay?
Yeah.
You're going to need this.
That's an ice cream
This is
scoop?
an ice cream scoop. And your frosting, if you watched
right
our
there.
last video, the frosting, the pumpkin spice frosting that
Yes.
we made. Yeah,
And
we
then
made
we're
it
going-
and it looks really good. Actually, I
really
tasted it and it was delicious.
It's delicious. I'm gonna get, excuse me, sweetie. I'm just gonna move this a little.
Can you get me a butter knife?
Okay, of course I can. There's that. And then there's that. And maybe a spoon, okay?
Yeah.
So I think I'm just gonna get gingerly. I'm just gonna get a little bit. We're just gonna sprinkle some. I want a little bit. I don't need this much
Yeah.
sugar and butter in my life. Not after what happened at the grocery store. We don't want that. Okay, so you just gently frost the cupcake.
So you can put like on a crumb coat if you want, and then you can take an ice cream scoop, and you can just literally take.
And then
That's
you just
what I
If you want, only if you want a lot. So then you
Oh
can
my
fill it
god,
up
that
with
is a lot.
some,
Yeah, you could get that. And then you could just add
push
chocolate
it
frosting.
off on to the cupcake. Okay, and now there's like a huge
So
dollop.
you can also use any type of frosting.
Yes, you can. We are just going to finish decorating these with some sprinkles.
Can you
pass
get
the
the-
chocolate sprinkle?
Can
got
you
it.
get the
Stick it
other?
on.
Ooh.
Ooh, the Halloween sprinkles over there. And then yeah,
They're not
so
actually Halloween.
but they're black and orange, so you can make it whatever you want. Just go like that. Stick on, and then
Sienna, can you
yeah.
pass me the orange?
These are our cupcakes.
please?
You can show the cupcakes, please.
I'm not
Got
done
chicken
yet.
chop, wrap it. We got stuff to do today. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and hopefully we'll have Cooking with Kids again. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Okay.